Hello there, my name is Emil Balog. I'll be doing this overview of the Westech video that we did a demonstration last week. Basically what we've got is we've got a job export wizard app that was generated using a software tool called Controls Pro Studio. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just show you basically how we've got some data in the Windchill common space. We've got it set up under a folder called CAD, and you can see this is the top level assembly for the project, and this project contains a set of drawings that are also either in the database or on the hard drive somewhere. And what we're going to do is this application here is going to go in and retrieve some of this data. So we've got some information here that we can force people to fill out for the project. You can see if they don't do that, we can't continue. So I'm just going to put in a fake name here for demonstration purposes, and you can see here we can also browse to a specific folder on the hard drive that we want to export all this data to. So I've got everything set up for this Westech folder, which should have nothing in it. So if I look at that folder right now, it's empty. And what we'll do is we'll actually go in, put in our top level project assembly number, and go to the next page, and we're going to hit the start wizard, which is going to go in and retrieve that information from the Windchill database. Or if it's on the hard drive, it will retrieve the information off the hard drive. It then goes in and it takes all the models that are part of that and analyzes the top level assembly for the different components, and then we can go ahead and say let's for now select all these options for the export type, and we can configure and choose any option, any export type that Creo can create, and then we hit this export job button. The system goes in there and retrieves all of the models. So actually we've got to hit select all now to tell it which one's to process. So hit that, and now when the system sees that you've got ones that are well, let me just stop this here and go ahead and deselect the actual datums there so we can export something clean. So you can see here now we go in and we retrieve all the models, all the drawings, and start to do our conversion into the different formats that are required for this particular export. So we'll let that go through there, and then we'll take a look at the information that was generated by the system. And what you see here on the bottom right is this regeneration manager gives us all the feedback of what is happening and what drawings are found by the system automatically. And when we're done here, the models, the system comes back, and then we can take a look at the export folder, and there's some log files here that we probably want to clean that up a little bit, get rid of those guys. But you can see here we've generated a whole bunch of drawings automatically. So if we look at this particular drawing here, just open that up. There's the PDF that was generated off of that, as well as if we look at the DXF that was generated off of that. And then we can also take a look at 3D viewables that were generated. And all of this could be zipped up into a folder and then sent to an FTP site if that's the case, just to help alleviate some of the time that it takes for Westech to generate these deliverables. Okay, so this is a quick overview of the job export wizard. Hope this helps out. Thank you.